Hi guys, welcome back here to another episode in Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're here with another episode with breaking news regarding the DJI Phantom 4. So today this drone just released an update and we have all of the information for you guys today. But if you guys want to get an opportunity of winning a free Mavic Air 2, make sure you subscribe to the channel and help us get to 1,000 subscribers before September 1st. If we're able to do so, then we're going to be giving away a Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So you don't want to miss out on this opportunity, guys. Make sure you guys join the Drone Emotion family and help us grow. So with that out of the way, guys, let's get started with today's video. So today, Drone Excel made an article regarding the brand new update that the DJI Phantom 4 just got. So let's dive right into it, guys. So this update is going to be for the following Phantom 4 series. So you guys know we have different models with the Phantom 4, but the only ones that are going to be getting these updates are the following models. So pay attention closely. So the Phantom 4 Pro is going to be getting it, and the Phantom 4 Pro B 2.0. So these two versions of the Phantom 4 are the only ones that are going to be getting this update. So not the original Phantom, no. This is the only two versions that are going to be getting this update. That's important for you guys to know. So with that being said, let's dive into what we'll all want to hear. What's new with this update? So this update is a really significant update, and I'm going to tell you why. So let's start with them less important things, and then we're going to finish off with the most important thing with this update. So this new update is going to fix the following things. So we're going to get optimized IQ parameter of camera to improve camera image quality. So this is going to help us get a much better quality out of our Phantom 4, which already has a pretty good quality with that 1-inch sensor. And then the last thing that this update is going to include, and the most important for me, I know a lot of you guys are going to be excited, is the following. So with this new update, we're going to be getting one thing that I know a lot of you guys love, and that is range. So let's talk about what range we're going to be getting. So the new range has been increased, guys. So we're now going to be getting 6 miles or 10 kilometers for the FCC version here in the United States, and 3.75 miles for the rest of the world. So that's going to be the most important thing with this update. Obviously that doesn't mean we're going to be able to fly out 6 miles because that's not legal, but that does mean we're going to be getting much better connection when flying in a really heavy Wi-Fi congested areas. So those are really good news for those guys who have a Phantom 4 Pro, a Pro 2.0, or if you're thinking on buying this drone and a limitation that you see is range, well, now there's no limitation. Now you're getting a 6-mile range, which is amazing here in the United States, and then 3.75 miles for the rest of the world. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. That's all we have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.